Hey y'all, it's your favorite bald head, small head, and I'm back with another bomb video. If you would like to see how my stylist slayed this beautiful Alipearl wig from start to finish, then stay tuned. Okay, so boom, y'all already see me out here in the WNBA looking like an NBA player. She's braiding this noggin down. Now she's just going to, y'all know the routine, go to take that got to be glue and just go ahead and brush that gel back on the front of my hair so you can make sure you get all the flyaways. After she does that, then that's when you get your scalp greased up like back in the day, honey, and it feels so good. Just to make sure your hair and scalp is not dry up under that wig or it's gonna be itching. Woo! Real bad, baby. And that's when you see them patting that back of their head. And you know what? That's fine with me because I know that feeling, honey. But this right here, oh, that massage. Yes, look at that eye twitching. Yes, ma'am. Had my left lash, right lash, shaking it like a salt shaker. You already know. Now, listen, y'all. Once she do that, she's going to cut the ear tabs. Please cut these right because, baby, they will cut your ear up if it's not wide enough, honey, because it be hurting up under that ear. So make sure you got enough room around the ear before they put you up under that dryer, baby, or you're going to be begging for them to cut that ear tab. Now, next, she's going to just take some got to be gel, the clear gel, and put that all around the hairline before you put the lash on. So that's going to just hold that cap down and show her, as you can see, it shows you where the hairline is at and everything, and that's going to dry down. So after that, she's going to put some spray. This Kiss spray, y'all, they say this spray is bomb. I've never used it, but I'm about to start using it now because it did its job. But anyway, y'all, she's going to put some holding spray around that. After that, she's going to put you up under the dryer. Y'all make sure y'all go to my girl. It's so fun and entertaining in there. And if you want to know everybody's business, girl, go to her shop. Because you ain't even got to say nothing, girl. You just be hearing people be... No, I'm just playing. But anyway, after that, she's going to put some makeup all around there after you gotten from up under the dryer and it's totally dry. You got to make sure it's all the way dry. After that, she's going to cut the ear tabs. And yes, finally, honey, let that ear loose. Let me loose, baby. Anyway, y'all, she's going to cut it on both sides. You already know the routine. Yes, I'm looking like a little bald head yard lizard, but it's going to come together. Stay with me. After that, she's just going to cut all of the excess cap off so she can see what she's working with before we put my wig on, honey. Before the meltdown comes, because baby is coming. This wig was so cute. Now, hear me out. She going to put the glue on here, but it's going to be, you just count the layers. This is the first layer. So this is the first layer of glue, of her glue. We used her glue, and baby, I ain't ever had no issues with her glue. So if y'all want to purchase some of her glue, make sure y'all go to her shop online, or you can go inside the shop and buy it. But this is the second layer, y'all. Yeah, I said second layer. You in my business. Don't worry about how long I want my wig to stay on, baby. You in my business. And finally, this is the third layer. Yes, I said third layer. I got 3 layers of her glue. And now is when I start seeing the vision. Do you see that hair? Do you see that wig? She's laying on my head, honey. I was like, oh my God. I just knew I was about to be cute, honey. I knew it was just activating at this very moment. So now she's cutting the excess lace off. You see this side has no more lace on it. Well, yes, it do. Dog, that lace is laying. But this is the first side she started on. Excuse me, y'all. When she started cutting off the lace, honey. And it was giving already because I just got confused. I ain't even see the lace, baby. But yeah, she's cutting off the lace with her one of those brow razors. Okay, and y'all, now she's just putting wax where she's going to hot comb and leaving my baby hairs out. And baby, I already see the vision, honey. Yes, it had already activated. Now she's just taking that Kiss holding spray and spraying it over the lace before she put me up under the dryer with the band, honey. Yes, the melt is coming right after this, honey. The band is what melts it down. If you don't have no band before you put it up under the dryer, baby, get you one, because here it come. Yes, ma'am. Oh my God. Yes, that band laid that. Do you see that, honey? Yeah. It's melted. Argue with your mama, not me. Hey y'all, this is the final look. Well, I wouldn't say final look because I got my hair done like a couple days ago. And I've been living my life, having a ball. My man. My little whoop-de-whoop took me on my little yeah. Took me on a date. No, I'm just playing. But anyway, y'all, for real. I wanted to give me some, like, the 2 ponytail look with dramatic baby hair, so I could put different barrettes and scrunchies and stuff in it for my little look. I'm gonna try to insert some pictures and stuff, y'all. This hair is so versatile. You can change the curl pattern. Like, as you can see, it's still curly, but I did wavy like this. And plus, I just got out of the shower. Y'all know your makeup just in when you just get out the shower. Like, it just, if you looking real dry, girl, get in the shower. But anyway, this ain't about my makeup. This is about this bomb hair. Baby, look at this hair. Look at it. It's still kind of damp because, you know, it's steamed up. But all I add is water to this hair. And I go, y'all, look at them curls. Girl, this hair has been in my head. I haven't been combing it. I ain't been doing nada, honey. Just letting it flow. This hair can get so big or be so wavy. As y'all saw in the last video when I first got out her chair, what the curls look like, how my hair look, still looking bomb and refreshed. As you can see, I have not been sleeping with a cap, so my baby hairs did mess up because these are not hard baby hairs. They kind of soft, like as you can see if I move them. So they kind of soft because I wanted this wispy, not wispy, but like I just wanted a lot of swirling going on, just dramatic. So I could put, like, I want to put these in big chunky, like back home, and put it in big chunky little puffs up here, like curly balls. I want to do the scrunchies. As you can see today, I have the big balls in. Like, honey, I'm gonna have every single different hairstyle by the end of the week with this hair. Baby, she been in like, how many days? I don't know. When this video go up, it might be a week that I'll have it in. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I don't keep my wigs in long, but this one, I'm trying to get all my wear out of. Like, do y'all see this? Do you see this? Ah! This hair. And I'm going to turn around so you can see how long this hair is. So, that's why I wanted it to be a little damp. Like, y'all, this hair go past my butt. If I pull it, like if it was straight, it would go past my butt. But like, it's right here on my butt. But y'all, hair, my lighting in here sucks. But hair bomb.